Hey guys, it's Base Highlights and my name is Ajwa. So it hasn't been long since, Shatawale had that issue with Joint 77 and Pope Skinny came to tell us his peace of mind on that issue. Well, he's here again with a lengthy video when just 2 days ago, Shatawale went on Nanama McBrown's show on UTV and he said that he doesn't really have an issue with Pope Skinny. Like, Omontem, you're fine. So he doesn't know why Pope Skinny, comes and rants and all of that. Now, Pope Skinny is saying he has an issue with Shatawale. If Shatawale has forgotten, he's reminding him they have an issue. They've never been friends. They've never been cool like that because Shatawale is fake. Yes, he called Shatawale a fake. He called Shatawale a snitch. He actually related Shatawale to American rapper Tekashi 69. He says just like the way Tekashi 69 is famous, for snitching, and because of that he gets views and all of those things. That is exactly how Shatawale is. It's because of his fakeness and his snitching that he has a big fan base. He had so much to say, guys. So I'm just going to play you the video so you guys know what exactly went on. So just watch the video.
So, well, let's say you don't have problem with me, and that was your biggest advantage. Maybe the next time where you go radio, like as you they go radio, where they tell a presenter say make the no talk about Pope Skinny, like as Nanama McBrown talk about you, say na Pope Skinny, ebia why any bibi man come me can say oh, Pope Skinny was my very good friend. He loved me with his heart. And I don't know what happened. Tio, as a sensible guy, and said, Pope Skinny be my guy. I don't know what happened where he speed him up so much, where he make it, he do what he do. But don't come and talk, say, you don't do me anything, you are my friend. Shatawale, I'm saying this on record, you are not my friend. You can never be my friend. And if you can't get money like Dangote, where me, I not get money like Super Odi, you can still not be my friend because I don't want dirty money. Dirty money. I don't need that dirty money. Because in me, I say my secret is my power. Me, I no go come out and can't talk what they do before you get hit, where we go stand, what we do, and so I no go come talk. I'm not a fool. What the team will fear me a crapimni. But when you come out and can't talk, say if Pope Skinny like, okay, this be how the whole thing starts. Now are they Suhum with my Joy Daddy people. Dr. Harrison, Dr. Manfred, Dr. Surgeon, and a Joy Daddy company, and I love you. Niamaya mameno, mean to me nka. And I mean to me emoding. And I mean to me nkese, oh, men for yes, I love you. Joy Daddy is my shade. But for Joy Daddy, where me, I there with them from 2012 to 2018, 19, where they go choose Casapreco and Ambassador Casapreco no be my shade. Shatawale where he go sign Casapreco. But me, it be me bring Shatawale to Joy Daddy. And the biggest money Shatawale gets for in career, I say this on record, be 1.5 million. They sign him for 4 shows. Me na me de kwa that time Bulldog was in manager, we go Bulldog in office for Osu. Bulldog, Bulldog, I love you. Onkashi tiame. Ana oyerenso ya madam funtini mi se membe kasa. But you see, for Shatawale too, Shatawale won't make everybody know say, oh, I see and Pope Skinny though. As you and Pope Skinny Pope Skinny they struggle. Pope Skinny, you see say you dey for her. Me see me I not get 1 billion for Ghana music. I'm a hustler. Me I'm a street boy. You are not a hustler. Only a hustler. Oh no, a junkiness now. Oh, papa's pamo. Oh, you street boy. Me, I've been a street boy. I was born in Kokomle. Me, I've been a street boy. You see the street people. You see the time where me and you the fight where you say, hey, you go make killers come. Hey, you see the killers where they tell me, say, Skinny, we know you for the street. That we don't know bandana. Oh, you street boy. Me, the time me and you the fight where people they do this, people they do this. Huh? I was on the street. You were not on the street. You were not on the street. Yes, you are go Ojura. Where you two, you can't move go Ojura because Cheska come do briefcase for Ojura. Me, I was in Ojura at the street. I always dey street because you see, if I don't get who to fight for me, the street people know my story. And when somebody they try intimidate Pope Skinny, go talk say, huh, who need Pope Skinny way? I'm telling you on record say there are people where they know they like you. You see the people where you they work with. Anna, Grofana, this is my killer. They don't even like them. I love them because they see me on the street. They tell me say, oh Skinny, it be your man. Try and solve the thing for him. Meanwhile, you were telling people to come stab me, come do this. Hey, you know, hey, Jayo, man, kasa too much, bro. I love you. And I will share who created so many accounts to distract me from me. I know your words, but my secret, my secret is my power. I'm not really revealing secrets, cause at the same time I work with you. We I know how things for day and things for no day. It is a say and why you say it blade ni bone ni adena Osake wono. When you go interview, don't mention them a name because it pisses them off. Me say, me mumidi. Odo ko interviewer, catch a presenter and say, "Man, mo Pope Skinny di." Cause obo media, I'll come and expose you. Kade. So you people say the street boys, when I tell your king of the street, say make you come talk there. Tell Shatawale say Skinny say come talk there. He be there. Don't talk say you are not my Wale, you are not my friend. You cannot me, I'm not friends with fake ass niggas. You can never be my friend. God help you. Before I go, make a talk how Shatawale no get money. If they call every musician broke. This be how Shatawale gets the first house for 69. It is Legon. Me, I know the lie. You know, the first house for 69. You do song for Mahama Pepper. That be what NDC use for them a campaign where they no win. Mahama Pepper and Mahama Pepper. It be Ibrahim Mahama. They ask you, Yenjinani Yako Ibrahim Mahama Nifina wa Kaukudi run about no. I know bisa say there na wope. I know say oh they won't pay scanner oma ufie. That be what you get for Mahama Pepper. For 69. Say fie na yen ye catch say beka say $1 million because that house was 9. Say na wo waye swimming pool ni ade wom. That house no be $1 million. Anna Namwan de me papa. I love Namwan because enye no. Namwan ma yenska ye kwakotwa gringo no. Namwan ma yenska say wale ntwa VIP tickets. Business class Emma Pope Skinny because he love Pope Skinny. Anna Wale the manager of that time. I love that manager. I don't want to mention him. Where they go book economic for me. Economic comfort. 80 minutes Wale do play anymore. Wale say at times business class, you know the fool. So make a try, get some place and sit. Let me make her get some place sit and maybe if nobody come, the air hostess go no say we go with Delta. Air hostess no go no say are they economy, but they VIP. No, I won't give you money. Say make you come book VIP, make a set your body 1 year. But me, I'm not after the money. I want because of that thing where we talk from the beginning. Say make we make money because when the money come, we all we go enjoy. That's why we do ride on make we go. And we ride on by scanning by and now we say they are sell out. And I make what now honor VIP no na obi buy no say, oh that's my seat. And I make call economy comfort. My man cry my country Namwanu. Namwan my inska. Me later we are here. The people where we go, the xylophone people where we go, where they tell me say Namwan give me 22 or say 25,000 and a woman over $50,000 not for the video. The video or the man manager of that time. Over $50,000 and I says can we say pay why Namwan forgive you because Namwan say you won't go after this video, you won't go Miami. I'm saying this on record. Me, I'm not fake and I will never be fake. So now me got economy. Oh, if you are paying me, I'm paying me once. And I make got economy boko. I know be a Saturday no business class in the year man. So me got hono. Ask me and Shatawale alone where we go. Say every 30 minutes I they wake up from economy comfort. Go see Wale say be okay. Saturday no, make I show you what happened. I'm saying this on record. Make a record and a record. That day, they fight with Shatamishi. Now yet me pass him. And they fight with Shatamishi. And that day, that be the day where like them two for die. Make Ghana get problem with Shatta movement. By the we stop. I was there with Blade, Bone, Good of Ivo, Stone, and me. So me I did the studio for me pass him. Where Wale can't talk say, oh, where they say me say skinny. Maybe I didn't do the say when I call out because a two of them and they were shooting the bed. These people, you see, Shatamichi take the gun from Shatawale because Wale, OJ Tony finish him. And Michi no one kill the guy where they shoot bed. Po. So they can't tell me say skinny chame where there at the end say you be doing there one will be to me I solve you. Now me say men kon won koku me. Men. That was the day we go. And you know, and they have like 8 minutes to go. And they ask no. It's here no and ye ko solve a problem no. That time the people where they say be in love. You see my secret is my power until now no go I know they try to expose you but who say me kasa and you know Anna me na open echo America. That was the day you go shoot Gringo. Make everybody where say Pop Skinny be fake. Make you go watch Gringo and see say Pop Skinny day inside. A manager of that time was in the video. You know be manager for day the video. If me for day where manager day. I said no. Okay, until you see way JFK Anna minuano no abo wale ono monsa ono hwehwe ene kakra bi obetwetwe eno pe ana minim ne oye yansa na wo fifie ana ye gwe kodu no na minuano wa he de nti ewie no ana me young boys be fire. That day we didn't have I no go mention anybody in name make it get because all those people they be stupid. Ye kodu and a yard and for bako into me hotel while booking a opposite while book the same hotel for we because that day Namwan give me money we give Wale money but and yes I scan what the mommy and also one book business cars and yes I scan all the mommy but my mommy $2,000 and it says scan and share me and your bookie hotel say no and let me say no my guy I for book hotel opposite to him so I go watch him because maybe no the people the boys Blade Bone Good of Ivo Stone you know the warning they give me because they love Shatawale so much they say hey, Skinny you see say they go with Shatawale say who knew na bibi kotona obagana so who are you be kum. I'm saying this on record. I don't have problem with my people. I'm saying this is what the people because they love this nigga so much. And yekwai, it's yekwai no. Sa Shatawale problem on is Shatamichi. Shatawale ope Shatamichi. If Shatawale won't do pan. I go come show the time they go back Shatamichi what I tell them. Where go Kumasi, where go call Reverend Obofo, I go show him. Where that time be my birthday, they for come all my boys for come my birthday. We tell them say make the no come because you know they see me well. Because one guy tell them say Pope Skinny well, Shatawale. On your Tommy, only trassery. And now who say your way? Oh papa, who say who Oscar? Anna, Reggie Rostone no get money. I'm not deviating. Reggie Rostone no get money. So no get money. Who need trassery? Who dine who first house no? Mahama paper na dem ho. And you scan out the toy. Second house na wo Trazako echi wo no. Nam one na dem ho. Nam one. Oh pesa wo ye we are. I go can show how Nam one even sign you. Because if we create that thing, I go come show how Nam one sign you. Where we dey house, where we dey plan. Many chiame, chiame, what we for do? People like me, you don't have, you for not get problem with me and can't tell me say if I like make I can't talk how we have problem. I go show you how Nam one even sign you. And I go show you how you get that house behind Trasako. So don't dare me, bro. I don't have problem with you. I love you. And it be love where we take come do this shit. It was nothing but love. But you won't play with. Today you if you come out and can't talk say today if you come out and talk say, oh well you like if I not talk this thing, then you love Samini. Oh yes, I made you because he be my show. Where I give you the time on Kasahari level where you talk about Batman. Oh yes, I will betray me. How you go fit talk say then you like Samini where Samini dey? Until me on the one can talk on you know, then you love where they did. That be why you fight with them. You are fake. Don't lie to camera. Don't think say you did despite group of companies, so now you won't lie. Don't be fake. My secret is my power. Before I go, if you dare me say kade. One kade but obey anyway. I go show what you do before you get hit song. Now, you see the way fake prophets Canada, Japan, they expose them. Now we for expose fake musicians where they know how they go away, they come do and they say. So when you want, don't I say, oh they say when you have opportunity now, you see that thing go cool my temper down. Talk say, Pope Skinny, or you madam for me ni asem. Ebi amaye bibia on fan cheme because ebi aminim. This be how I do to get my hit songs. I do to while they over for me. Hey, I don't care when you go UTV, where you go organize people from Abeka and Fadama, make they bring car. I don't care because that be what we they do. They talk say, hey, you can't sign in one way, it's your go way, front on from. Who knew front on from? You the front on from by, and you buy no, and I may yashi or we no. Me yashi, me na me cry way, Chiami. Oh, Eastern King of the East. Now I thank Chiami because I want to make the thing happen nice. Don't dare me. Don't go interview and go talk say don't you see Reggie Rockstone with the respect of you see no Nigerian artist go on interview and disrespect Two Baba be Two-Face. You see Wizkid, Davido, Burna Boy, where them it be them they rule Nigeria. When they see Two Baba, they say, oh Baba, we respect you, we hail you. Don't come disrespect Reggie Rockstone. Because you see your house, one, it be NDC give you, two, it be Nam one give you. Who fikrana who see what Lakeside and the crown when see me, I'm building my house. Me family me fear me to cantonment in Imbo still. But obey say, Anna, you from a good family. I go show you where my family from. Me Mbosti. I never go boast. Me fear me babe si ube fie ube feel ube guest house ube acres of land where man buy. You don't know what they do. That's why you make Captain can talk say and they do tickets. I know they do ticket too. Me I know they do tickets. I know they do fraud. I know they do money laundering. Ask all the people where they know me. I know they do nothing, but I know show you how they make my money. You see how they make my money genuine. So fake people don't make you see say they catch hash papi. Don't make fake people tell you say them they do this. If be them they do this, that be you Shatta Wale. You are fake, and if you they make everybody feel say Ghana musicians we no get money. We know say we no get money, but your money be fake. Don't make her come out and can't talk. I don't want to talk about you again, bro. You say you don't have problem with me. I don't have problem with you, but don't do like you did dare me. I'm a street boy. You are not. You recruit street boys where they follow you. The woman where take you go near myself. You betray them because you car now with the man. This will not be the first time Shatta Wale take car from Inyati. Blade, Omane Benz, Wakoje, Good Ovivo, Omano M3, Bima, Okoje, Bone, Awoyo way. Malam Mukpoti. Bone. The only person where go fit take gun wounds for Bone. For Shatta Wale be Bone. Onokura one and your problem. Na uje neka ketwe woman 10,000 Ghana cedis. Onko to car na went to me and fan to car ben or the better. Uni munyansa. Uni trasri. O papa owo we henia. Onenam in Samwem. I went to Nefia this way pram echi wono. Ono na ese utumi use wo careless na dia wo dey. Don't tell me say you have careless you go my house. Hey, Wale, you can't go my house. You can't do nothing. I'm coming to Ghana after this lockdown. When America opened this lockdown, they come Ghana. Are they on the streets? Don't come and fool anybody, make it look like on your toto Edrobianka them, no power. I'm talking to you, no power. Montoto, what the Montoto now make it cross overseas. The time I did Ghana say nothing happen. Hey, Montoto, Wale, I be your mother, your malam tell you. Me no nyina na call malam, so catch you. Oh, say this boy he's special. Treat him good. And you know treat me good. So you see your powers no go end. Your powers no go work. Your powers no end ye adwuma wo. Aswording God, miso. This is the truth. Because nah, we don't start them yet. Me start here, me pacho. Me pese bibi abe distracted me because I'm so focused. My phone self, it go off. Me phone ankasa crack off. Today, nothing will distract for skin because I see things from her. Hey, a drobianka them. Forget it. Hey, me say then, a drobianka them. Hey, the only power be the power of God. Remember, a drobianka them. I see your malams, away them. I see the malams, away them. They are not strong. Hey, a drobianka them. E nyame no waya adibi. Enti yefa na ase ni nyina ma nyame. But oka God which God are you talking about? Hey. Ene yebekasa. Nothing can stop this shit. Nothing. Isa moye tokontrama. Musa moye mia. Ghana music industry where you go show them one men namo and then tina one men namo eche. So the time where I meet Shatta Wale, then I know Bandana. And Bandana go on the street because his father sack him. Because he do drugs. And his father sack him. And Wale go in house for Latebi Okoshi. That be Shatta Capo in house. Where they no open him. Where in father no opium. Because if you say Wale won't come burn the house. Because Wale was smoking too much and he was doing drugs. So as he was doing drugs, He go there in sisters. He have 2 sisters. They even sack him from the house. And he said that the sister where they behind them, where he bring them food, where he tell them say make you go. That was before. I'm the realest street boy, because you see Wale, he's not a street boy. Then Wale was a dadabi, where they do junkie shit. So in father Sakam. So on found to me. Somebody where I was born into money, where they ignore me, where I was a street boy. What they were pamu wufi here because oh papa no, on pel papa sem, on pel papa sem. What you say? On pel papa sem. Because you say your father no do nothing for you because your father sack you. And me na make a show say, oh papa, then they wish you good. That be why he sack you. Anka wan sake okra and kofi anka o ba be that be every time they come and boast your father what he gets. Oh papa then oh papa wo. Ana shatakapo ana shatakapo godi ohene wo pram where shatakapo self go chop this in kingship for. Shatakapo go godi ohene now. Na enya ahempa ntino wotai no wotai ni fi baby a odi ohene no langas tai no langas you see where pram echi ogodi ohene na mokoye na we say you know they deserve to be king where they sack him. Your father said they sack him. He is not a king. He can never be a king. So his son self can never be a king over nobody. And what no on headquarters. Me, I live, my house is behind headquarters. So headquarters, I always stay there. You know that. Me uncle David Asante Apietu. Me uncle IGP. IGP no fees so no. Me uncle Nanado Danko Ekufuado. You, your father, then he be NDC man. Don't come and ask and talk, say, Anna, hey, Nanado, So, this is how the whole shit happened. So, as the whole shit, I'm not here to, because you see my secret, it's my power. That be why as Shatawale come, UTV with Nanama McBrown, Abeku Santana, Bulldog, Arnold, went to me and Kebibio say, Pope Skinny is my no or yeah my downfall. But when him now can ya. Now kind de nice so. But when him now can ya. So the thing where they do when you take do music. Huh, you see me? I've been in this shit for 20 years. If music go fit do something for me, like you do for me. You see me? If my music, if the music will do something for me, like the time where I won't make you go sign, the time you go sign and I'm 1 in 10, where me I they follow like us jamming, like that time I for use for myself. I'm not a fool. So don't make people where they help you. Don't make people where they help you feel like they were fools. Because you defeat talk say blade, bone, stone, good over evil, deportee. Today, I want to talk deportee matter. Deportee. Somebody, he was blade, bone, stone, good over evil. One will be foul. Blade was in Nima, bone was in Nima, stone was in Nima, good over evil. Then he did New Boy Town. And to what? One walk on one dream boom. That time me, Pope Skinny, I was not there. I'm talking about like 2006, that level. And obe foul. And to obe foul no. Eba ni mano. Now you they talk say will he do something for you? More than blade, bone, stone. Good over evil. The same people where me, Pope Skinny, I won't talk for them. Where you bring me, come that side where you say, Pope Skinny cannot be my Pope Skinny no go feed them my camp because it won't try bring rules. I was not trying to bring rules to your camp, bro. Listen to me. I was not trying to bring rules to your camp, but I was trying to be that person where I know they do drugs, I know they smoke weed, I know they do nothing. Where when everything they go wayward, I go tell you, and that be how we start them. Well, you know, be you tell me say make I come be with you. If you see the things we I do for you, if you see the things we 2011, if you see the things we I do for you, because you see that time there was no Shatta Wale, there was no Shatta movement. Yen you promoting Shatta movement. It be me where I can talk for Adum FM. Big respect to Adum FM. I love Adum FM. I love multimedia. Multimedia fed me since 2010 to 2008. Because as they bring me to come host Kasahari. Now me first say Mabe Kasahari for some few days. But you see multimedia, they love me. And the dusty day multimedia, when now he won't shield you. And the big respect to you, I love you. You know say I love you. You know say be my brother. Andy. But when you they come out and can't talk say Pope Skinny no call Shatta Wale no call police people to come there. Now say, you the dirty multimedia. You know they see me as a colleague. It's you know Okrano yakwasiama me. And the dusty, I love you so much. You know the respect I love you. You know the respect where they show to you. Now Shatta Wale, ain't you know what fresh Shatta Wale or phone, so what fresh small boy na better now. Now Shatta Wale aba phone so. Who say Shatta Wale? So the video, how will they see we live for the have video inside? The video where police did there. How will they see gentle for that video inside? How will they see Shatta Wale and boys for that video inside? Then you say, you know, be Shatta Wale call police. They come tell you how this will be the first time Shatta Wale call police. And me, he call police on me. But you see, in police she no help. Because you see Shatta Wale, he don't buy car for me. I'm saying this shit on record. You see Shatta Wale, he don't buy car for me. Yesterday I was telling somebody, say, the time Shatta Wale, so they go back. The time Shatta Wale buy car, you know buy car. The people where they come pick come the street. The time where he won't show love to them. That be blade, bone, stone, good over evil. The time where he won't show love to them. That time he didn't have money to buy somebody car. Captain or any informant no. Oshe video ye video say Shatta Wale atoka enye Shatta Wale no to saka no e mawako and mano them they be have cars guys and they ask captain now and they also say and this person do this they talk what somebody do okrana wini wo okrana wonyoma o ya Shatta Wale captain no. And that it be Mawako in Kidis. Where I was there. It be me tell Wale say, let's do video and talk say you buy car for this person. That time say now on mechanic crazy and why you say I'm a Pope Skinny. That's the first car. Later. After Mawako in Kidis buy car where we can talk say maybe you buy car for captain. You know be you fucking buy car for captain. You know buy car for nobody. Later now manager, our friend Julio say like BM. Where that BM Julio go through some BM. Where you say, okay, so Julio, I love as you come. They love the things where you can do for me. So enti kakrana me want to be the best so usikaso. The small I have, I go add them to the money where you have. Make we buy this Beamer where you say you like. Where will you? The same house. We there inside where we say make we do am say Shatta Wale buy. You know buy car for Julio. But at the end of the day, you take them. And Julio, you put fear for Julio inside because you make armed robbers. I'm saying this on record. Julio, where be Shatta Wale in former manager. Shatta Wale sent out robbers to his house, not to kill him, but to put fear in him. So Julio come house where he can't talk, say, hey, our robbers come house, oh, and he did the station. I'm saying this, if they want to make the investigate them, if they don't want, we see Ghana, they not go investigate, not sin. So I don't care. I'm just saying this on record. One way he sent killers to break in Julio's house, and Julio was there with in sister. Where in sister shows a Julio did this from where they go. They take Julio in passport where he have American visa, because Wale fool say when Julio gets American visa, he go run left arm. So Julio, if you like, do one. If you don't like, because your thing, it is police station. If you like, do one. I don't care how you go do one. I don't fucking care, because you, Shatta Wale sack you. That car where your money there inside where he buy for you, he make you go park for A and C more. Where he make Willie them, where he make Willie them, oh they where he make Willie them go take for A and C more. Where because he put fear in you, so you know go come talk. I don't care about you, because you will yourself, you are fake, and you the time you come, you they do like Anna hey Sankawiye we are real. Anka ni Shatta Wale ni yenye nyina na anka wo kan onka ho. You are not a monk. Your secret is your power. Somebody remind me, so I'm keeping my secret. We mo dia ye to kontrama where biso akriapim ni say to kontrama ye den where ye by the way onka ho. Hey Wale onka ho. Shatta Wale won't come. It be we make you be Shatta Wale. So somebody go to say, if it be you where you make Shatta Wale be who, why are you no bigger than Shatta Wale? So I go take you back to that way where they say somebody win Lotto 67, where they say, where somebody say, so why is the Lotto Dr. Norwich? They say he is a good Samaritan. That's all. That's me. I'm a good Samaritan. Memba me hoyo me kasaba eboboba eya petesho insio na ochino ma be kase me insio we na menom ana matete we no me promote obi a ansa no ma be kase ana me no ma petesho abrochi apeteshinia menum nsu ena me nom hwe. No matter can say they drink Hennessy and so. So when you come on UTV and come like so, Andy Dusty, you were fake from the beginning. Andy Dusty, you know, try to come and do damage control. That be radio station the machine. You Shatta Wale come talk say kwesi chum. Be gay, you won't fuck Pope Skinny in ass. It's one, and your by one to me, Misano. And too fresh at one when me say, so Pope Skinny talk for you, say, Kwesichum, I see him 3 times. Let me show you how I see Kwesichum. So, the time we did Tema, and the Dusty, you were not there. The time we did Tema, then at the Oscar Sahara, and we were all scared, say, Adom FM, they move from Tema, come Accra. So, and that time they sack everybody. But you see Pope Skinny in views, you see they call him tracker. You see multimedia, they have something where they call him tracker. And if that tracker no they do, if you and that tracker be say like as a day here we have 1.3K, that tracker go show say Pope Skinny is live on radio and you have 1.3K for listeners. That be tracker. So as we move from Tema, come Accra, that tracker leaves so many people. So me way I feel say street boy way now, he dey do Kasahari, and Kasahari be Dr. Duncan do way Dr. Pregese can do How I go fit do? My tracker was high because you see, because of you people, Shatawale, Bandana, where I put you in, nobody, the time I won't put you on Kasahari level. I'm saying this on record. The time you Shatawale, I won't put you on Kasahari level. So many people for Adom FM can't talk say, Sakwasia we ya. And I quote in quote, Sakwasia we ya, O Mwadi, Obabe ya on Krofonwa ye, so and so. I regret putting you on that Kasahari level up to this day. 2012. I regret because that time Papa Bills when I did it be my way, and Papa Bills way bring DJ Obete, and that time I regret. Maybe God will make I put you on, but me personally as a human, a normal human being, I regret I put you on that show. Because that was the show where you take Fox Samini up. And Samini was my guy. That time, Samini in boy be payday. Because not Samini in boy be Mugis. Gogome. That time, then he be the only guy. The people who now they write PG. They rap PG. Be Mugis. Captain Planet. Prince Bright. These people when I did rap pigeon, it's not gonna feel you on. I regret the day I put you Shatawale on radio where you can expose Samini Batman. Where now you they go the radio top and you they make it look like now you they envy the place they did. You are fucking fake. I'm saying this on record. My secret is my power. I'm cash you. We make a can sema and sema when but Shatawale, if you say no go fucking keep quiet. Now Shatawale you say Popskini oh yeah madam for okay tree na mate oh yeah madam for. I was never your friend because you are fucking sell out and you a snitch and you did like Tekashi. You did like you see America. They have somebody where they call him Tekashi, and he have all the views, he have all the hits. You did like Tekashi. Because you see people, they will always love people where they be fake. That's not Popskini. I'm never fake. I came to you with love. Me, I do what I do for you, not be because of fame. Hey. And I will say, Anna, ain't you know, say, me oh bomb me di because make I take do song. I don't need song. You see music. You see music. You see music money. It be mirage. Ask somebody who what be mirage. A banner I call. It be demonic money. Ain't you know? And near man away na. Or then Crawford scammy. No. One say I bet you hash papi. And I bet you Woodbury. And they will scammy, and then I don't want to mention Shatawale, a new manager in him because I love him so much, and I love in wife like me so much. So if they respect that fact, where you know the time I miss you, I will say when Popskini can't talk to you, you go beat him. You the guy. I not come talk to you in a harsh way. I come hug you. I say, bro, I love you, and your wife love me so much. So I not go talk Shatawale, a new manager in him, because his wife be my friend, and his wife be some innocent person, and Bulldog. I don't want to talk about Bulldog because Bulldog no talk nothing about me. I love you, bro, Bulldog. Because if I say I go talk the reason why you deal with Shatawale. And I don't want go into the level of Nam1. How Shatawale come there in xylophone music. Everybody don't know that. We know how the thing happened. Man, person I call because Nam1 is a good guy and he's lovely And so Shatta Wale say make I come out. So I want to talk about Shatta Wale booking a flight ticket for me. Okay, so the only time Shatta Wale book flight ticket for me be when we dey go shoot Gringo. And me, the love way I have, I was not part of Gringo. You know why? Oh, Bulldog was part of Gringo. Some other people was part of Gringo. You know why? I want to talk this thing. Hey, Wale, you say my secret is my power, so I'm not trying to expose you. This one, they not be exposed. I just want to talk the things where you say, make I come out before I go. The time where you can't post things, say, okay, so then I was the only person where he be smart guy where he get visa. He get American visa because time now 2017 Wale koye show na eno sa sem no man carry down na on person the embe ko na me ko create new email address many American embassy focus ya me ma blade bone stone when they won nyina no what yenya visa na ye ko no. That's the time. I don't want to even talk about that shit. Because you see, blade, bone, stone, good over evil. Now, they make quiet to extent say, now, you won't make the talk. And you see those boys. When they say they go talk, my talking no go come. And you know, for the loyalty and the love for Shatta movement, I still love you as a brother. And I don't get problem with you. I'm saying this on record. I don't get problem with you. But that interview where you do for Nana Mama Brown, interview where he talk say, if Pope Skinny like, make he can't talk say, if me I don't get problem, that opportunity, like if for you some apologize say, oh, me I stoop so low as a king of the East. I stoop so low to become your chairman. Where they do damage control for you because I was on radio. Oh, now you want to make Chiami look stupid. Now you say make Pope Skinny can't talk. Hey, you see my mouth. You see my mouth. Manon Swoon. Manon you red. Handsome guy. And I'm in Wisconsin. When you talk about people where they don't have money, you know me. And I never reveal how they make money. You see, my money is not fraud. It's not money laundering. But you see, I'm a smart boy. I know how to make money. Remember what America? I beg you. Sorry. I won't take this thing because that'll be where my way. Me what America? Me have a cover numbers, you know. This be what? Bank of American card. Sika wo fie and a sika so bank enti me first come ma my secret is my power. I'm not trying to expose you because they no on kai enti I'm not trying and same be aka say me meka no eno na meka. So this be how the whole shit happened. Wale go on UTV say you don't have problem with me. Wale Pope Skinny ye madam for ankania or the year say no or the baby on your man. Wale I've been in this shit for 20 years. Remember out on now bandana from Ghana cry. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself and say anything because you see me I shift them. You see when they do life they shift them. Me hu ni amokano.
So what do you guys think? Do you think it's cool that, you know, Pope Skinny is now saying all of these things about Shatta Wale because they used to be friends once? They have history. So what do you guys think? Leave your comments down there. I really want to know what you think about this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you love it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Visit our socials at GHBase. Go to our website at www.ghbase.com. And like I said, we have an app now. So the Android users just go to the Google Play Store and get the GHBase app. We have all the juicy exclusive news stories on there for you guys. iOS is coming soon, so just keep watch for that one. This has been Base Highlights. Stay tuned.